All right, cut one. Let's try this on. Ah, fuck, I got this started and I wasn't ready. So, all right. Go to first things first. This thing is filthy. This is 50% peroxide, 50% water. So, 1 to 1. And we're gonna go like that. What's up? So, alright, I'm not handling these parts. Bike all filthy like that. So I'm just gonna get it out tomorrow, and we'll probably go up in town and cut another video. Get some stock going. A new little doohickey there. I'm just messing around. I better take that off before I forget about it. So look at it, Yeah, all the little buggies, bug guts just foaming up. Ooh. So, yeah, once in a while they've been on there a couple days, so they may stick a little more right now. The access panel really use a repaint. It's gotten quite chipped up over time. So, get all those bug guts right off. Then bye-bye. They're gone. Usually do this right before washing the bike anyway. I followed up with some detailer just because, and I know I probably doused it down with way too damn much, but if I don't get to wash it tomorrow before I go out and ride, I will only look half bad as I need to look. Because we know, riding motorcycles ain't about the way you look. Absolutely nothing to do with that. Man, all right, that's terrible. I gotta wash that. All right, so we're gonna start with removing this panel. Take that back here. And sit down. What the hell is that? Okay, so what we're talking about here is on your stock bike, each one of these has a green with pink. And that is your running light circuit. This one and this one has a blue, one has a blue with red. And these do not. So you need, and I'll put it in the link in the description, but oh fuck, you know what? I'm completely unprepared for this. So I'm gonna go back and redo everything. So I wasted my fucking time.